morning, children. Yesterday we discussed Beehive chapter number 1. Today I am going to start poetry section. The first poem is The Road Not Taken. Before starting the poem, I want to discuss about the poetry. What is poetry? Poetry is spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings, thoughts and emotions. This is complete definition given by William Wordsworth. In this poem, Robert Frost, he was an American poet. He wrote a number of poems. In class 10th, first poem is also related to Robert Frost. In class 9th also. The Road Not Taken is related to life, career. In this poem, the poem deals with a very important aspects of life, making a choice. There are two kinds of choice. This is first making and second marks. Make or marks. Make, everybody knows किसी चीज को बनाना, किसी चीज को बिगाड़ना. You have to choose. It's your substitute. There are two types of options in this poem. The poet describes the choice enacted makes or mars the future as it depends upon two aspects. Now you have to choose. You have to choose makes or you have to choose mars. It depends on you. One, how the choice is made and out, and second, what are the external forces. First thing I want to again discuss. First thing it is made out, and second thing it is external. It is external forces. It is seen that most of the people make right choices. Most of the people do not choose right choices and they cannot succeed in their life. And at outcome, success is not as expected, as we expect, as we hope. It does not come. So it is not in our hands. As you sow, there is also proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap. If you do hard work, you will get everything. But if you do not hard work, you are not using your motivations, your views, your energies in positive way, then you cannot get good things. So the poet also describes about there are two things. One thing is that we can say out things, made up out things, and second is external forces. The poem advises that one should make wise choices. In this poem, the poet also advises that every person, one should make wise choices, that future could not be spoiled. If we do good things, if we choose good things, then our career, our future, we can create good things. The poet finds himself in a dilemma. Dilemma, that is the position of yes or no. Hodgepodge condition means you are not this side, you are not that side. You are in dilemma. That is the yes or no. You can also show hodgepodge condition. At the last, I want to tell you about the poem. The poet finds himself in a dilemma as he cannot follow what his mind wants. What he does not want to do in his life, he could not follow according to his minds. In this poem, this is the summary, this is the explanation of the poem. In this poem, rhyming scheme, rhyming words, you can also find out the rhyming words. Those words are similar, those words are same sounds, they are known as a rhyming scheme. Rhyming words. Rhyming scheme is also given, you have to find out according to the rules of the Shakespearean's rhyming scheme, A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, and single D, single D. There are many figures of speech used in this poem. Simile, metaphor, there are many figures of speech, but two figures of speech are used in this poem, metaphor and personification. If you find out the figures of speech in this poem, metaphor, you can say, a metaphor is an implied simile. In metaphor, as, like, so are not used. Is a camel in the ship of desert. I see a lily on thy brow. There are many examples given in your poems, And second thing is personification. Lifeless objects are treated as same things. जैसे death lays his icy hands on the kings, anxiety sitting on her face. So there are two kinds of figures of speech are used in this poem, metaphor and personification. You have to find out figures of speech, rhyming words from the stanza. Next poems, next video. Thank you.